Touch of flu, if you want my considered medical opinion.
Oh, please. I don't get sick. Ever. I'm sure it's nothing.
Don't look like nothing.
Just perfect. No.
No.
Okay. Shortness of breath?
No.
No? Palpitations?
Only when Brishnikov is in town. What?
Oh, no, you know that. Misha. Whew. Ever break a bone?
No.
Major surgeries?
No.
Illnesses?
Irritable bowel. Are you laughing at me? There's nothing funny about irritable bowel.
No, of course there isn't. Of course I wasn't.
What was that then?
What was what when?
That squeak.
I didn't hear any squeak.
You made the squeak.
I most certainly did not.
I know what I saw. I mean, heard. It's like you have this cold and you were trying not to sneeze.
Everything feels fine, Mary.
Everything okay, Dr. Stuck?
Fine. Turn your head to the left and cough, please.
What?
Cough for me.
Why?
I need to make sure you don't have a hernia.
I thought that was a guy thing.
It's a gal thing, too. Cough, please. Now. Now, turn your head to the right and cough.
Again?
It's for your own protection.
Well?
Shipshape. Well, there are two types of cholesterol, Mrs. Butterworth. Good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. And the goal is to have less of the bad and more of the
Good cholesterol.
Exactly. You're exactly right. That's exactly right.
I'm serious, Dana. I want you to go home.
I am going to the pharmacy. That is where I'm going with my own prescription pad in my hand. Thank you very much.
Suit yourself, doctor.
Well, I would, Merriweather, if you'd give me some measure of privacy. No, little missy.
God bless you.
Look, where's this Dr. Stowe, huh? Get him out here now!
Bless you.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me.
Mama, cancel tomorrow. I won't be coming in. I'm sick. Thanks for staying with me. For coming.
Well, I know I wasn't invited or anything, but I was, you know, like, worried about you or something. Nice place, by the way.
Yeah.
Tom Evans is here? You didn't know? He's doing his bloodless cabbage on a beating heart today in our OR. But Shepard didn't tell you?
No, he...
Bless you, bless you. Excuse me, no, he didn't. An Evans bypass.
When is the last time you took a flight of stairs instead of an elevator? Be able to keep up with you.
You mean it?
I mean it.
He means it.
Excuse me, sorry.
You have a cold. Could have happened to any of us.
Yeah, but it didn't. It was me. I'm the new girl here who no one really knows, and even Yang is in love with Evans, and I have a freaking cold.
Oh, come on, Milo. Trust me, buddy. You do not want to catch this. Oh. Hey.
Wow, you look terrible.
Thanks.
Brought you some soup.
Chicken noodle?
No, chicken and brown rice. It's better for you than the noodles. Eat your soup.
Why are you taking a poetry class?
Just trying to get my mind off the kidnapping and focus on something positive.
And it's making you sick. All right, put this in your ear, and I promise you your sinuses will be clear by lunchtime.
Yeah, and I promise your hearing's gonna suck all morning.
Ooh, God bless you.
Thank you. Well, as long as it makes me feel better. Rizzoli. Dr. Isles. Not even a little afro? Oh, no. I hope you didn't catch that from me.
Oh, it's just my sinuses and a little scratchy sore throat. Nope.
Hey, can I check your computer real quick? I just want to mess my lineup a little bit, make a few adjustments before the game starts.
Tinker away, Tinkerbell. Straight to Never Never Win Land.
Will do, Captain Hooker. Bless you. Are you sick?
No,
You sound sick.
I'm not sick.
Well, I just touched your keyboard, which you were just touching with your sick hands.
I'm not sick.
Why are you sneezing?
I have allergies.
What are you allergic to?
I don't know, dust.
That makes sense because you have a filthy house.
We should totally ground him. Yeah.
Strap on? You are sick.
Allergies.
Situation. So now, Mrs. Hobart thinks that I'm a beast. That's it.
You look like shit.
Oh, I wonder why. Because I'm sick.
I didn't get you sick.
I was fine until I came over here, and now you got me sick. And you faked it, just like the Giants faked that injury in that Monday Night Football game.
Fine. I'm sick. You win.
No, you won because you got me sick because you're a filthy beast and you live in this disgusting hovel and your daughter is just a petri dish with pigtails.
Jump in at any time, Kevin.
Huh?
Where's King Cole?
He's away. Bless you.
Thank you. What do you mean he's away? Look, the mayor is very unhappy, and she wants me...
He went to Graceland. He said he had to see it.
He's blind. What does he want to go to Graceland for?
He has this theory that Elvis is black, and he says that he can prove it.
That's absurd. I was a big Elvis fan. Elvis was not black. Michael Jackson is black, I think. But not Elvis.
All right, listen. Okay, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down, down. Okay, tilt your head back, tilt your head back.
Gift. Okay, go wash your hands with hot water and don't touch your eyes or your mouth until you do. Believe me, you don't want to catch this.
I will be fine.
Oh, what should I tell Her Honor? That the paper's going to shut down until the epidemic's over?
No, this paper hasn't missed an edition in 45 years, and it's not going to miss Wednesday.
O'Neill.
Hold this. I was expecting you. I'm surprised it took you so long.
I hear you're responsible for this article.
Bless you. Bless you. Here, sit down. Sit down and tilt your head back.
Oh, listen to him. This works.
Trust
Hello, food for the trip.
Oh, an angel from heaven.
So I've been told. Honey, you should take some wheat germ and golden seal for that cold.
Why are you doing this to me?
Because you're sneezing. Trust me.